Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve first 15 question of chapter 3 fraction for class 3. This content is from IMO Olympiad workbook 2122 MTG publication by Mahavir Singh. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. Which of the following shows 1 by 3 part shaded? Here we have to find the fraction of shaded part. In option A, there are total 4 parts, and out of 4, 2 parts are shaded. So fraction will be 2 by 4. In option B, there are total equal 3 parts, and out of 3, 1 part is shaded. In option C, there are total 4 equal parts, and out of 4, 1 part is shaded. In option D, there are total 12 equal parts, and out of 12, 5 parts are shaded. So fraction will be 5 by 12. Here option B shows 1 by 3 parts shaded. So here B is correct answer. Question number 2. Which of the following represent the fraction of green capsicum? So here total capsicum are 16. And out of 16, 5 capsicum are green. So fraction will be 5 by 16. So here B is correct answer. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is correct about the given figure? Option A. Whole is divided into 8 equal parts. There are total 8 equal parts. So this option is correct. Option B. Shaded fraction is equal to 2 by 8. There are total equal 8 parts, and out of 8, 2 parts are shaded. So this option also correct. Option C. Unshaded fraction. Unshaded fraction, there are total 8 equal parts, and out of 8, 6 parts are unshaded. So this option is also correct. So all options are correct. So D, all of these is a correct answer. Question number 4. Which of the following set of fraction are arranged in descending order? Descending order means big to small. Big number followed by small number. So here in option A, the number are arranged in ascending order. In option B, the numbers are arranged in descending order. So here B is correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following figure has least shaded fraction? Option A. There are total 6 equal parts, and out of 6, 1 part is shaded. In option B, there are total 6 parts, and out of 6, 3 parts are shaded. In option C, there are 6 equal parts, and out of 6, 2 parts are shaded. And in option D, there are total 6 equal parts, and out of 6, 2 parts are shaded. In option A, only 1 part is shaded. So here A is correct answer. Question number 6. In the word mathematics, what fraction of letters are consonant? So there are total 11 letters in word mathematics, and out of 11, M is consonant, A is vowel, T is consonant, H is consonant, E is vowel, M is consonant, A is vowel, T is consonant, I is vowel, and C and S are consonant. So there are 7 letters are consonants. So fraction will be 7 by 11. So here C is correct answer. Question number 7. Which of the following figure represent 2 by 6 part unshaded? So here we find out the fraction which are unshaded. So in option A, there are 4 equal parts. Out of 4, 2 parts are unshaded. So fraction will be 2 by 4. In option B, there are total 6 equal parts, and out of 6, 4 parts are unshaded. So fraction will be 4 by 6. In option C, there are total 6 parts and out of 6, 2 parts are unshaded. And in option D, there are total 3 equal parts and out of 3, 2 parts are unshaded. So here C is showing 2 by 6 part unshaded. So C is correct answer. Question number 8. Monica likes all numbers which have 0 at the unit place. What fraction of number in the box she dislikes? She dislikes 2, 3, 12, 9, 5, 69 because she likes the number which have 0 at the unit place. So there are total 11 number and out of 11 number she dislikes 6 number. So here C is correct answer. Question number 9. What fraction of given shapes is 3D shapes? So there are total 9 shapes and out of 9 these 5 shapes are 3D shapes. So fraction will be 5 by 9. So here C is correct answer. Question number 10. What fraction of the curved line in the given figure is green? There are 3 curves given in the figure and out of 3, 2 are green. So fraction will be 2 by 3. Here D is correct answer. Question number 11. If full circle is equal to 1 whole, then 1 by 4 is equal to option A. This represents 2 full circles and 1 out of 4 equal part 2 are shaded. B is represent 3 full circle and fourth one out of 4 equal part 1 is shaded. In option C, there are 2 full circle and a third one out of 4 equal part 1 part is shaded. And option D, there are 3 full circle, fourth one out of 4 equal part 2 part are shaded. So 2 1 by 4 is equal to option C. C is correct answer. Question number 12. What fraction of given figure is shaded? So here we make first the equal part. Now total there are 24 equal part. And out of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 part are shaded. So here C is correct answer. Question number 13. In the word consonants, what fraction of letters are vowels? In word consonant, there are total 10 letters. And out of 10, C is consonant, O is vowel, N is consonant, S is consonant, O is vowel, then N is consonant, A is vowel, then N, T, S are consonants. So there are only 3 vowels. So fraction will be 3 by 10. So here C is correct answer. Question number 14. Which of the following figure is correctly matched with its shaded fraction? In option A, there are total 3 equal parts and out of 3, 1 part is shaded. So it is correctly matched. In option B, there are total 4 equal parts and out of 4, 1 part is shaded. So it is incorrect. In option C, there are total 6 star and out of 6, 3 star are shaded. So it is also incorrect. In option D, there are total 8 parts and out of 8, 3 parts are shaded. So it is also incorrect. Only option is correctly matched. So A is correct answer. Question number 15. Which of the following makes the given statement true? Here their denominator are same. So we compare the 5 and 3. 5 is greater than 3. So here B is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.